This is a genuine leather small crossbody bag sent to me to review from Befen. So let's take a closer look. The strap is completely detachable and adjustable. I'll just snap it right on. It's a gorgeous texturized leather. I love the silver zippers. Just a beautiful look. So this is technically the front. You've got the branding down here. Almost a hidden zipper right here. A nice size that will hold my iPhone 14 Pro. Let's test out a max sized phone. Yep, it'll hold that as well. On the back, you have another zipper, another decent sized pocket that will hold my 14 Pro. Not quite a max size phone. It's not gonna zipper shut, although it will hold it just kind of sitting in there. Then going inside, we've got a zippered compartment on one side here. That's gonna be great for a small wallet, your keys. You've got a nice section here in the middle that's completely open, not divided. And then on the other side, a little pocket right here, maybe for some chapstick, you name it. So it is a low profile bag that will hold a lot, even an iPad mini, while not being bulky. This is the shortest you can have it. Great over the shoulder bag. And then you can quickly and easily adjust it. This is the longest, like really long. If you're super tall, if you want to have it crossbody, wow. Bit long for me. I'm gonna shorten it up. There we go. That's how I like it. So amazing. This is the black. It also comes in burgundy, dark brown, light blue, and navy blue. It's a gorgeous bag, perfect for daily life and travel. It's practical, it's low profile, but holds a lot. This is a great one from Befen. I love it, and I know you will too.